Children's Day Special, Homemade Baked Tomato Chicken Pasta Recipe. Date, October 1st. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today is a special day as we're celebrating Children's Day with a delicious homemade baked tomato chicken pasta. It's a dish that kids and adults alike will love. So, let's get started with the ingredients. For this special dish, you'll need the following ingredients. 12 ounces, 340 grams, of penne pasta. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about 1 pound or 450 grams. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 can, 28 ounces or 800 grams, of crushed tomatoes. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of shredded mozzarella cheese. Half cup, 120 milliliters, of grated Parmesan cheese. Fresh basil leaves for garnish, optional. Now, let's start preparing this mouth-watering dish. Step 1, cook the pasta first. We'll cook our penne pasta. Follow the instructions on the package for al dente pasta. Step 2, cook the chicken next. We'll cook the chicken. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Heat a pan over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and cook the chicken breasts for about 5 to 6 minutes per side or until they're cooked through. Step 3, prepare the tomato sauce now. Let's prepare our delicious tomato sauce. In the same pan, add another tablespoon of olive oil and sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic until they become fragrant and translucent, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add the can of crushed tomatoes, dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and pepper. Stir everything together and let it simmer for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Step 4, assemble the dish. It's time to bring everything together. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large baking dish, combine the cooked pasta, sliced chicken, and the tomato sauce. Mix it all together until well combined. Now, top the mixture with shredded mozzarella cheese and grated Parmesan cheese. This is where the magic happens. The cheese will melt and create a golden, gooey topping. Step 5, pop your baking dish into the preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. And there you have it, a special Children's Day meal that's sure to delight kids and adults alike, our homemade baked tomato chicken pasta. Before serving, garnish with some fresh basil leaves if you like. This adds a lovely touch of freshness to the dish. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you enjoy making and eating this delicious pasta. Happy Children's Day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you very much, kiddos.